You slowly open your eyes in a Roman bedroom. Golden morning light spills through a window without glass. Linen curtains sway gently, as if the gods whisper, "Wake up." Today, you stand in the heart of the eternal empire. A simple wooden bed, walls adorned with frescoes of gods and heroes, clay oil lamps flickering faintly. Wooden furniture smells of wax and centuries. Every detail speaks of Roman life, discipline, and quiet dignity. Walking to the window, mosaic floors cool under your feet. You gaze down at a narrow street. Merchants set up stalls, vendor calls echo through crisp morning air. Rome awakens with you, restless and unstoppable. The stone frame feels worn, yet solid. Distant sounds rise, wheels clatter, horses neigh, people murmur. The pulse of a city alive for 2,000 years, beating with ambition. Stepping outside, sunlight catches floating dust over stone streets. Warm air brushes your skin. You are part of this world now, woven into its rhythm. Narrow alleys, towering insula apartments. Women balance amphorae on their heads. Slaves haul baskets, invisible threads holding over 1,000,000 souls together in fragile order. Passing a bakery, fresh bread fills the air. Romans consumed over 800,000 tons of grain yearly, imported from Egypt. Citizens haggle over olives, figs, wine. Coins clink, deals struck in seconds. Trade stretched from Britain to India, silk and spices flowing like rivers into the capital of the known world. A chariot thunders past, hooves clattering on cobblestones. Caesar once banned daytime traffic. Even 2 millennia ago, Rome struggled with congestion. Children splash beside a fountain, fed by aqueducts delivering over 1,000 liters per person daily. More than many modern cities. Legionaries march, segmented armor gleaming. Soldiers whose discipline conquered continents and secured the long peace of the Pax Romana. Turning onto the Via Appia, life pulses. Traders, travelers, soldiers, slaw. The forum opens. Senators glide by in white togas. Decisions here shaped a public speaker shouts on the rostra. Words as weapons. Men like Mark Antony swayed the masses and changed history with a single speech. Walking between colossal marble columns, engineering feats built without cranes, powered only by human will. The marketplace buzzes. Merchants shout, coins clink. Rome minted hundreds of millions of denarii annually. Priests perform rituals, incense curls skyward. Emperors declared themselves divine, blurring the line between mortal and God. Above, the enormous temple of Venus in Roma dwarfs humans, a monument to eternal glory. An eagle soars over the forum, emblem of power stretching from Britain to Egypt. Legions march perfectly, 20,000 steps a day. Discipline crushed phalanxes and barbarians alike. Shields shine, lorica segmentata glints. Soldiers train, swords clash, sparks fly. The gladius, short, deadly, symbol of Roman might and ruthless efficiency. Cavalry charges. Gallic, Thracian, Numidian horsemen adding speed and ferocity to the infantry ranks. A scarred veteran stares into the distance. 25 years of service, land, citizenship, Pax Romana secured through sacrifice. A wooden table shows the empire. Britain to Mesopotamia, 50 modern countries, 70 million subjects united under Roman law. From a hilltop, Rome stretches endlessly. Concrete, arches, domes, innovations that changed architecture forever. A blacksmith hammers iron into a gladius, sparks like stars rising into dusk. Weapons that conquered continents forged here by steady hands. Suddenly, the Colosseum. Full glory, massive, pristine, 50,000 seats, built in 8 years with spoils from the Jewish war. Crowds pour through arches, emperor and slave side by side, united by spectacle. Stepping onto arena sand, anticipation hums beneath your feet. hippodrome tunnels hiding gladiators and beasts ready to rise. Gladiators prepare, slaves, criminals, and famous warriors. Spartacus began here before challenging the empire itself. Bloodstains marked the sand. Many survived, became rich. Pollis verso, thumbs decided fate in a heartbeat. The emperor surveys all. Free games and prizes maintain stability and loyalty. The crowd roars. 80,000 voices merge into thunder that vibrates through bone and stone. Sweeping view. Valerium shading the crowd. Underground machinery lifting cages. Staged naval battles flooding the arena. Unmatched engineering brilliance. Steam rises in baths of Caracalla. 1,600 citizens bathing beneath vaulted ceilings of marble and light. Public baths promoted health and unity. Men debate politics in the caldarium. Deals, alliances, betrayals whispered through steam. Markets overflow. Cinnamon from Arabia, silk from China, pomegranates from Africa. The world gathered in one city. Street musicians play lyres in alloy. Melodies shaping Western music for centuries to come. An aqueduct arcs across the landscape, 69 kilometers of pure mountain water flowing with quiet precision. Water flows endlessly from marble fountains, symbol of abundance and civic pride lasting centuries. The sun sets. Golden light bathes rooftops. Tiber reflects the last rays, a river that fed and protected the city through war and peace. Long shadows stretch across the forum where victorious generals once paraded spoils and captives. Torches flare, olive oil flames flicker. Vigils, the first firefighters in night watch, guard the fragile peace of the streets. The forum glows in firelight. Vestal virgins tend eternal flames that burned for over 1,000 years. Streets quiet. Taverns glow warmly. Poets recite verses over Mulsum wine as laughter drifts into the night. You look up, a vast, star-filled sky blankets Rome. Constellations mapped by Ptolemy guide astronomers for centuries beyond this moment. A slow cinematic pullback reveals a sea of flickering lights stretching into darkness. Rome, eternal, unbroken. Its laws, roads, languages, engineering live in us still. You were there. You felt its breath. You walked its stones. Rome never truly fell. It simply became us.